So in this video, I am going to show you that if you are already having an Astrometrica software, then how you can first uninstall it, and then later on what is the correct process of going ahead and installing the Astrometrica software. Okay, so if you are someone who is not having Astrometrica software, you can directly skip the video and you can get the timestamps in the description and get only to the installation part. But for now, for the people who wants to uninstall this, what you can do is you can go to the search bar and search for this control panel. Okay, so go to the control panel, and then there is something called as uninstall a program, and over here just double click on the Astrometrica installer. Click on yes, and then next, and that is how you're going to uninstall it. Okay, now I've recently got this kind of queries that, like, after uninstalling a program it is still present in their system. So what to do in that case? Well, the answer is pretty simple. You just go ahead and repeat the process and make sure any kind of Astrometrica files are uninstalled from your system. So for that, again go to the control panel and click on uninstall a program, and then just come over here and search for Astrometrica. And over here you can see that there are no external programs in my case, but in your case, if it's showing, please make sure to double click on it and uninstall it, just like what we had done earlier. Now you might be wondering that why did we uninstall it in the first place? Well, since last 2 to 3 different asteroid search campaigns, Astrometrica was suffering from server issue. And to fix this manually, we first have to go and download the PS1 and PS2 configuration files. PS1 and PS2 are nothing but PenStars 1 and PenStars 2 configuration file. And then we have to set it up in the correct position, and then we can use Astrometrica properly. So not to do this manually, what we can do is we first uninstall this program and now go to the Astrometrica and download the new installer or the new version of it. And for this, what you need to do is you go to the iasc.cosmosearch.org and click on Astrometrica, and over here there is an option of updating your Astrometrica setup. Click on this, and now you can save it in whatever folder that you're comfortable with. So after it is downloaded, you can come over here and run this executable file, and I'll just give the permissions to run it, and I'll click on yes, then click on next, next, and that's it, we are done. It's going to take some time. Over here we're going to press on any key to continue. And that's all, guys. Now if I just minimize this, we can see the Astrometrica right over here. And just to test if it's working or not, I'll just double click on it, because sometimes I've also seen people facing issue of, like, so there's some kind of an error that they get, they are not able to solve it. And for that, I've already prepared another video that if you're getting some of the errors while opening the Astrometrica, then how you can solve that. Okay, for that, I'll just provide the link in the I button. You can go ahead and check that out. For now, let's just wait. It's going to take a couple of seconds. So I'll just wait. Depending on your computer speed, it's going to take some time. So I'll just fast forward the video and I'll not make you wait. Okay, guys. So in my case, Astrometrica has been running successfully. But yes, just make sure you are checking the I button in case if you're getting any kind of problem and it's not opening it over here. And then just click on yes, and that is how you reinstall your Astrometrica software. Now in the next video, what I'm going to do is go to the IASC website once again and download some of the practice image sets so that we can start using it in the Astrometrica software and see that how we can prepare our MPC report that we can submit to this MPC guys.